A cook uses 2/3 of a cup of oil to make each batch of pizza dough. Which equation describes the relationship between the number of batches of pizza dough the cook makes? By the way, the pizza dough is going to be X, so that's important. And the number of cups of oil the cook uses. All right. So, Y is going to be the total number. Okay. X is going to be pizza dough. There's going to be 2/3 of a cup of oil per, and I know it says each, but I'm going to think in my brain, I don't like each, per. So per batch of pizza dough. Batches of pizza dough were X. So this is going to be 2/3 per X. 2/3 times X. And so we're multiplying the amount of oil in cups, which is 2/3, by the number of batches, which is X. Y equals 2/3 X. Y equals 2/3 X. The answer is A.